Hey guys, it's Arissa. Welcome back to my channel. As I was packing last minute for my trip to Houston this weekend to visit my friend, I was thinking about what I was going to film as my next video. And then I thought, well, why don't I just show you guys what I'm doing to pack and make sure that I have everything I need. So I came up with 5 tips to help me get through the packing, and these are not groundbreaking, brand new tips, but they are the ones that really help me, and I think they're very effective. My first tip is to really downsize the makeup and beauty products I'm taking and focus on multi-purpose products. This is the Emily Edit palette, and it's called The Needs. And here I get to have some face products and eyeshadows all in one, and it comes with a big mirror, which is essential for me when I'm traveling. And within this category, another thing is to have makeup wipes to remove all my makeup, and this Kogan Do Cleansing Spa Water Wipe is amazing. All you need is one cloth to remove everything, including eye makeup, mascara, etc. And this was the opportunity for me to dig through some of the samples that I've accumulated with my free gifts with purchase when I buy from Ulta, Nordstrom, Sephora. So first up is the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. Look how tiny this is. This is a little sample size of my favorite primer, and I ended up getting this from an Ulta gift with purchase. And if you're like me, you probably have gotten so many of these shampoo and conditioner samples, and this is the time for me to grab these, put them in my bag, in my liquids bag, and utilize the samples that I probably never use at home. And then I have here a liquid blender cleanser for makeup sponges or makeup brushes, and this is a little sample size of a CeraVe moisturizing cream. And the last thing in this tip with beauty and makeup is to downsize products that are already pretty small. For example, 1-ounce bottles, 1.5-ounce bottles. In my last video, I talked about these little containers that I got from Amazon. This is now my Kogan Do Aqua Foundation. I don't really know exactly which one this is. I'd have to open it up, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be my vitamin C serum from Mario Badescu. Tip number 2 for me was to have a little emergency food pouch. Now this doesn't have a lot in it, but I think it's just enough for the 3 days that I'm gonna be away. So I have in here some RX bars that Steven bought me. This is the RX bar coconut chocolate and RX bar chocolate sea salt. And I have a superfood smoothie every morning, so this is gonna be the easy way for me to get everything that I need. I found these at Sprouts, and this is the Amazing Grass Green Superfood Alkalize and Detox. So many good things in this, so I will be finding some type of juice maybe that I can find at a grocery store, or if we can go to a smoothie place, and then I will mix this in. And the last thing is tea. I love tea, and this right here is the Kirkland green tea that you can get at Costco. This comes in a really big box, and this right now is my favorite tea. It is the Yogi Soothing Rose Hibiscus Skin Detox, and it smells so amazing. It's really therapeutic to be able to smell this and then drink it. And there may just be some moments when I have access to hot water and I want to make some tea. And if I wanted to, I could add a little bit more in here, but for now I think this is perfect. Next is to find really good ways to organize all of your electronics. So this is the pouch that I mentioned in my previous video, and I got this off of Amazon. I will link it below. I don't have everything in here just yet, but to show you what it's going to be like, this is my MacBook Pro charger, and then I'll put in here my phone charger. This is my card reader and a phone charger and probably my Apple Watch charger. And it will all conveniently be in here and nicely stored and organized. The last thing I need, or last thing I want, is to have cords just all over the place. So I ended up getting this, and I'm really glad that I got it. Tip number 4 for me was regarding outerwear. And this isn't gonna apply to every trip out there because there are gonna be places that don't require outerwear. This weekend I'm going to Houston and it's going to be raining. So I ended up getting a rain jacket that fits into this pouch. So I ended up going to Nordstrom Rack, and I was hoping that I could find something that I like. And this is the one that I picked. This is a Haan rain jacket. It's very, very lightweight, and it is a pretty long one. It goes down to basically my knees, and I will wear it real quick to show you guys what it looks like on me, and then I will try to fold it up because I have not done it yet. I just got this today. Again, last minute packing. And the nice thing with blush pink is when I wear a lot of neutral colors in general, like as you can see, navy and white, black, gray, then a nice blush color fits really well, and I still think it's pretty neutral. So now I'm going to attempt folding this and putting this away. All right, so I got it in. This is now my rain jacket, and it will be so easy to store in my carry-on suitcase. So I'll see if I can find some that are similar to this because it's not always easy to link something from Nordstrom Rack. If I can find it, I'll link it below. Otherwise, I will see if I can find others that have a similar selling point. And my final tip that helped me get through the packing is sticking to neutral colors when it comes to clothing. So this was a little tough for me because I initially started envisioning all these beautiful dresses and different outfits that I could take pictures in. And at the end of the day, I'm like, that is not me. I am not an Instagram model. I am not a fashion blogger, and I just want to be comfortable. So I ended up sticking to items that I already have in my closet or in my collection. So this is my favorite pair of jeans, and this is by Massimo from Target. And I know that they did a major overhaul at Target, so now it's by Universal Thread. This is a Universal Thread jumpsuit that I mentioned in my What's in My Weekender bag video. And to change it up a little bit, I added this denim shirt. And I think I'm gonna tie it at the waist here to kind of cinch it all in. And it's really flowy and wide-legged at the bottom. A classic t-shirt, I have quite a few of these. This is the J. Crew Perfect Fit tee, and I love this dark charcoal gray. And another thing that I still consider a neutral, even though it is a color, is this khaki green. And these are pants from Old Navy. I really like their high-waisted Rockstar super skinny jeans. So yeah, anything like this. It's still color, but I consider it a neutral because it still pairs with quite a few things. So those were my 5 tips that really helped me with my last minute packing. Again, these are not groundbreaking things, but they really helped me. I love to hear from you guys when you pack for a trip. Do you pack last minute, the night before, or are you a planner? Do you like to really build up your packing throughout the week? On my phone, I will have lists of things that I need to pack, and that's what I'll be doing throughout the week, but the physical packing aspect of it, I really wait till the last minute. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you have any video requests, I would love to hear from you, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Have a good rest of your day. Bye!